Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we have a Born Pretty haul. So they sent this over to me. It has been a minute since I have done a Born Pretty haul because actually they lost my last package, not Born Pretty, the post office, and I think it's when I pretty much took a bunch of time off, and I think they literally just lost it or sent it back because I didn't pick it up, or again it was lost, not quite sure. But this is a base coat and top coat, and these are full-size bottles. Pop these bad boys out. So I also like that, oh sorry, it's a little blurry, that they do have a different color next to it. I do wish these were separate so I would know, but I would probably just label the top like T for top coat and B for base, just so I know when I'm looking in my drawer, because I keep my gel polishes in a drawer. So you do have your base and a shiny top coat. And next up we have their colors. Ooh, pretty. And this is, hang on, back just like that, Fantasy Rose. So this is this collection. Oh, it even says it at the top now. Man, they have updated their packaging, because I remember when they first came out, they didn't have these dots on here, they just had numbers. And I think one of my videos went viral on TikTok actually a couple times about putting the dots on top. So I'm so glad that they are doing that now, and it actually looks like they're putting the set on it. So it's Fantasy Rose Mix Set. So I do love that they are actually putting that this is part of the collection instead of just like random numbers that we would have no idea what they are for. So happy to see that. But let's go in order. Going to start off with one. Ooh, a nice jelly nude. Perfect. And I'm just quickly swiping over because there is a little bit of self-leveling going on, and that is really nice. Here is 01. Here is 02. Ooh, these are so pretty. And this is a cat eye, it looks like. Here is 02, and I'm gonna have to insert a picture of it magnetized. I literally don't have a magnet. I put them all in storage, so I am so sorry. Here is 03. Ooh, so pretty. This is a really nice collection. This would be perfect for some French nails if you want a glittery base. Trying to even it out since I got a little bit on my brush. Ooh, I like that now. I might have to put that on. Here is 03, which I think is about to go on my nails like immediately. Here is 04. This looks like another see-through-ish color, but a little bit more pink, a cooler pink. I think with jellies you want to do them super thin, so I'm going to give that a second to kind of self-level. Here is 04. All right, on to 5. Ooh, okay. This is definitely a cat eye. And I'm so sorry that I don't have a magnet. I don't even have one downstairs, like not a nail magnet. I don't have any magnets. Maybe because I have kids. Here is 05, 06. Ooh, a deeper jelly. Okay, so we got progressively deeper. Ooh. In the colors. This one's really pretty. This would be great again for your base for French, and if you have deeper skin tone, this would be a nice pinky base for you. I'm gonna give it a second to self-level. Here is 06. This is an absolutely stunning pink collection. Again, this one is screaming my names. There's like small, larger flakes in there too. So I have them in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And you can see these ones are jellies, obviously. And then you have your glitters and cat eyes. I'll make sure to insert their swatches for that because I am so sorry that I don't have a magnet, but I will link this one below. Again, I want to thank Born Pretty for sending these over to me. All right, if you stuck around, I'm literally just going to paint my nails. I went ahead and just gave them a little buff. I'm using that 03 without the cat eye version of it because again, I don't have my magnets. So I'm unloading that brush, pushing it back. And I like to come down the side. See how I'm kind of doing the edge there? It kind of goes over the edge. So you get that nice capped free edge. And again, doing that on the other side. And then pulling down in the front here. Gosh, that is such a pretty, oop, I'm not even in frame. That is such a pretty color. Again, unloading that brush, pushing it back. Even though I don't feel like it needs another coat, I'm just gonna do one super thin coat all over the nail. We found a way into the grace again. Let's not pretend our hearts have life again. Just stay one more night. Nice little jazzy up of like my weak grown out nails. I hope you guys like this little bonus feature. Again, I was literally obsessed with this color as soon as it came out, and I hope you guys like it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.